What deceptions these two birds give us, when they refuse to see themselves in their own vision, when figments of imagination fill their pigments with fascination, where their eyes lie to each other and fill with rage, lust, love, and mistrust. Two birds blinded by their insidious moans, two birds blinded by the throwing stones.
She only stole something priceless, like shoplifting at a supermart. I can't gasp, I can't smile, because my heart is missing. She stole it from an aisle, and she's already gone from the front to the checkout. She put it in her coat, security just lost without a bout. And now she's long gone. She walked so steady, but next time she comes in, I will be ready.
Two birds in love, or just in love with the idea? My vessel has unlimited carry-ons. I sail this route alone. Vanity and solitude are my only liaisons, until the day that we share a tombstone.
I'm listening to stories that break my heart. The stories that would have ended well, with a better start. It's like these stories just pull me in. It's just that these people already think I've sinned. But the people, they're all true. Their accusations have got me pinned.
Drowsiness never seems so subtle as to come in whenever it pleases. It sways me back and forth like I'm being lulled to sleep. But my eyes don't play fair. The drowsiness kicks in, so it feels like a game of cat and mouse. The mouse runs in circles. Cat soon follows.
I cross paths with a civilian goddess, a billowing storm of estrogen, perfectly basic and almost flawless. Two moonlit eyes protrude her skin, pillow plump lips protect her treasure, hair like the ocean's undertow, acting aloof gives her pleasure, foreshadowing her aura of afterglow. Civilian goddess, my biggest regret.
An angel came down, and she asked me a question. Why are you caught in a whirlwind of thought? I told her this life needs purpose. I told her my life is a lie. She said two words. Who cares? The world is a lie. This angel lives on earth. She's an angel in a woman, and she knows the answer to my question.
A silver jet flies over my head. Has my trust been betrayed? The devil has metal skin, inked with a foreign coat of arms tattoo. Not here, not now, not I. They pick the lock on the impossible vault, descending into backyards and ballparks. But the good guys always prevail. A white flag ripples through the air as I wade through the sea of patriotism. My fairy tale didn't end how it was supposed to.
What I see around me are flowers in bloom. But why do I feel like the weed in between? What I see around me are glorious swans swimming. But why do I feel like the ugly duckling inside?
Princess Taboo hiding behind a scarf, on my quest for primal stimulation. Her eyes invite me to leave my mark. Imagination or information? I can never tell the two apart. Fairy tale fornication. Together with her, or alone in the dark.
I heard the spirits whisper to me through the cracks of the mausoleum wall. There were no lessons to be learned, no words of wisdom at all. Just shrieking cries for justice, and numerous unreadable requests. Ones of humanitarian nature, which could leave a troubled woman perplexed. Me, my sociopathic tendencies. I watched the very foundation collapse. Short of any illustrious remedies, I chose to exist insignificant. Maybe all of you should pay this thought a visit. Leave your castles, cross your moats, because the afterlife is a clean slate, isn't it?
10,000 particles of sand on a hill. Waves crashing after a long journey. Calming shrieks of seagulls. The silence washes over me like the banks the beach meets. It's all bigger than me. It never changes. Every step I sink. I'm one with my environment. I'm one with the globe that spins.
I started writing to escape from reality. Knowing fantasy is fatality. Two birds in love. Or just in love with the idea.